Ngatho cia mwanya muno ni undu wa gucoka na ndirehoka no urathie na mbere wega ni muthenya ungi wina kieha kinene thutha wa Kenyans gukorwo magikinyirwo ni sad news egie Joey Irongo's dad. Joey Irongo was sentenced to death imprisonment thutha wa kuonekana na mahitia ma kuraga businesswoman Monica Kimani. Kenyans makinyirwo ni ndeto cia Joey Irongo's dad passing. More details ciege kuhuruka gwake gugitwika for the longest akoretwo akirwa na murimo wa cancer, but kuma riria Joey kana mwanake wake Joseph Irongo akorirwo akionekana na mahitia ma kuraga Monica Kimani, condition eno ya baba wao igitwika worse na riu yagikorwo igicungiriria kuhuruka gwake. Joey Irongo kuringana na family yake marenda akorwo akiheo rutha akorwo akiattend mathiko ma baba wao kuona they were very close riria arakiri muoyo na riria Joey aratarakiri muonekanu na mahitia makuraga Monica Kimani. Family yake ikihoya mwanake wao akorwo agitikirio ainuke niguo akorwo akiattend burial ya his dad gugitweka ahuruka kiroko gia gukia muthi wa umuthi wa Father's Day. Ndumiriri akorwo ikirekererio ni andu a hakuhi na family ya Joseph Irongo ni ndeto cia korwo igitukinyira muthenya wa umuthi ukiri Father's Day. Tugagithie na mbere na ku extend pole citu kuri family ya Joseph Irongo ni ndwa gukorwo lose his dad who has fought a fight na murimo uyu wa cancer. Thie na mbere na turn on your notification na subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ukamukira video citu tucemanie na wa next one.